This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by frances.germanos. Lovely brick ranch in very established neighborhood of Kings Grant. Located on a quiet cul-de-sac. Open floor plan with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Fresh paint throughout. Attached 1-car garage with laundry room. New driveway adds to the curb appeal. New electric range is being installed and deck will be restained. For more information, review the details below or contact frances.germanos at 757-422-2200.